Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're going to talk about CES 2020. So as you know, CES 2020 starts today, and there are some cool techs already on the first day. And in this video, I'm not going to talk about all the techs that they showed today, but I'm going to talk about the techs that I think stand out today. So the first one is the Samsung display TV. I want to say TV, but I would want to say a display, more of a display, not a TV. And you have the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook, and you also have the Asus ExpertBook. And then finally, I'm gonna talk about the Asus Chromebook also, and plus there is a lavender foldable tablet. Well, it's a ThinkPad, but tablet. I'm guessing there's keyboard attached to it and all those stuff, but we're gonna get into more detail in this video, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is the Samsung new display. It is called the Samsung Q950. So this is a QLED 8K display. It comes in 65 inch, 75 inch, and 85 inch. It is a 90% screen to body ratio. So basically, it is almost bezel-less. So 99%, not fully bezel-less, but it is getting there, as you guys can see. And it is 15mm thin. They didn't say thick, I like how you would have said 1 inch thick. No, it's 15mm thin. And also it comes with a quantum processor 8K. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm pretty sure it means some cool stuff. But it also comes with virtual 5.1 channel surround sound, which is basically has speaker on the side and right around the screen. It seems to me, I'm not sure, but these look like they're either speakers or vents on the side, I'm not sure. And it is integrated with Bixby, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. So that's three assistants right there. I'm pretty sure most people these days are using either Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Bixby is not much of a thing. I think I wouldn't be surprised if Samsung put an end to Bixby pretty soon. And then after that, you have finally the digital butler AR to manage legacy devices. So I'm not sure if that's gonna make your phone be able to mirror on the display and all those stuff, but here you can see in the video it looked pretty cool. More than likely this is not gonna do justice on camera, because this is through SuperSaf video and through my screen, through Twitter, and also through YouTube processing. So by the time you guys see this, this won't do justice, but it is there. 8K TVs being a thing, and I believe that 8K TV is gonna be pretty expensive now, like maybe $10,000 for the cheapest 8K TV. But I would advise you don't buy it right now if you're looking to save, because by the next 5 years so it will be like $400 for an 8K TV, trust me. But let's move on to the next product that they showed today. So the next product is the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook, and this comes in 13.3 inches, and it comes with a 4K AMOLED display. A Chromebook with a 4K display, that's pretty cool. And it comes with an Intel 10th generation core processor. I'm not sure how many cores it has or what, but 10th gen should be pretty fast no matter what. It should be able to get a lot of tasks done, because you know Chromebooks are not as powerful as laptops. But it also comes with Intel Ultra high definition graphics, and up to 16 gigs of LPDDR3 RAM. I'm guessing that is RAM, and up to 1 TB SSD. It is not hard drive, which is pretty cool. SSD is pretty fast. SSD is the way to go these days. And Chromebook iOS, obviously it's a Chromebook, and stereo speakers, built-in pen, and a 49.2 watt-hour batteries, and it is aluminum, which you know is going to be a pretty nice finish touch, and it is 9.3mm thin. I love how he's not using the the thick and using thin instead of thick. But that's pretty cool, and it will be available in the first quarter of 2020. So the latest you can look for it is, I would say, March. So from $900 it will start at $1,000. So I'm pretty much guessing that this will be announced and be more revealed at the unpack event in February that Samsung is gonna keep. So if you're into Chromebooks, you should check that out. But if you want more option, here is the Asus ExpertBook. I'm guessing this is not a Chromebook, but I'm guessing this will be similar to the Samsung Chromebook, maybe even more powerful. But if you're looking for something more powerful, this might be the way to go. And it's the world lightest 14-inch laptop. It comes in at 870 grams. It is 14.9 millimeter thick, and it is magnesium alloy chassis, which is a pretty cool finish also. In like the aluminum, and then you have the magnesium alloy chassis, which is a pretty cool finish, and it goes up to Intel Core i7, which is a pretty fast processor. So this is definitely will be faster than the Samsung Chromebook, which is reasonable, because Chromebooks are to do lighter tasks, and this can go up to 8 gigs and 16 gigs LDDR3, up to 2 terabytes SSD, and this is running Windows 10 Pro, so it's not the Chromebook iOS, and it has a 33-hour watt battery, and it can comes with also a 63-hour watt battery, and it has fast charging, and this is expected to come out around the same time when the Samsung Chromebook come out later on this year, around March or so, as I said. And if you scroll up, here's the Asus Chromebook. So if you're an Asus person and you want an Asus product, here's an Asus product right here for a Chromebook. And this is the Asus Chromebook Flip C436. So this is a 14-inch laptop also. No, 14-inch display also. It is almost bezel-less. It is 85% screen to body up, and it has Intel i7 also, Intel Ultra graphics, and up to 16 gigs of LPDDR3 RAM, and up to 412 gigabytes M2 SSD. So I'm guessing this doesn't have like the features that the Samsung Chromebook have. I think the Samsung Chromebook is a much better Chromebook so far, but here you have the Chrome OS also. This is 13.7 millimeter thin. It is 1.1 kilograms, and it have a 42-hour batteries, that fingerprint sensor, and it is expected by the latest around June of 2020. But this has some plus in the spec side compared to the Samsung Chromebook, but I will go with the Samsung Chromebook mainly because I'm a Samsung person. But if you're looking to that, you can look more details. Also, the link to the SuperSaf Twitter page will be down in the description, so you guys can check it out and look at these videos. It would also be running across the screen during the video that I'm doing right now. So last but not least is the Lavender ThinkPad X1 Fold. So this is the first generation of Lavender Fold, and it is a ThinkPad. And if you guys go to school, especially in the United States, or I think they're even doing it in some countries now, you always use a ThinkPad in school, because I think Lavender has some deal with the schools. They give out some free ThinkPads and all those stuff, so you might be familiar with ThinkPad, and they are pretty powerful system. But I think the fold devices are only getting better at this moment. So here's a first foldable PC. That's pretty cool to know that Lavender created the first world foldable PC. But what I always say, isn't a laptop a foldable thing? Like, don't you fold your laptop to get it down smaller? um I don't know, but I think it's very similar. As I said, it's the only difference is that the screen is folding with when you fold it, and not just the keyboard separate from the screen, if you get what I'm saying. But it is a 13.3 folding OLED display, Intel Core processor, Intel Ultra high definition, 11th gen graphics, up to 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of SSD. And it comes with Windows 10 Pro and Dolby Audio. I'm not sure what does mean, and 50 watt hour battery, and it comes at 1 kilogram, well, 99 gram, which you can basically round it to 1 kilogram. But yeah guys, that's it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching, and expect me to upload more videos like this as CES go along. So make sure to subscribe. If you guys reach this far, you must like my content, so make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like if you didn't like the videos yet, and make sure to subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.